Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot with Xiaomi 13. And to do this we'll need to open our settings or any app that allows you to scroll down, even web pages if you want. Now you can either use the three fingers from the top down to make a scroll shot, or use your power and volume down key to make a screenshot. But before, you will need to go for additional settings, and here gesture shortcuts, take screenshot, make sure that both of these options are enabled. And now let's make the actual scrollable screenshot. Scroll to the top of the page. Now choose your favorite screenshot method, then you'll make a screenshot, select scroll. Now it should begin scrolling down your page. If you're satisfied with the amount of the screenshot, you can click on done. I'm gonna go with a full page. And here's a screenshot of the entire page. Click on this button to save it to your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.